If you have skin that is sensitive or it needs calming, you know just how tricky it can be to treat and soothe. UltraCalming Barrier Repair from Dermalogica is formulated to do just that. Now, this clear gel, it's uniquely waterless, and as you apply it onto the skin, it starts to reduce those sensitivities, the redness, the irritations that you have. But it also helps to reinforce the skin's natural barrier, and that in turn helps with hydration on the skin. Now, you can use this twice a day, and if you're having resurfacing skin treatments as well, this is a definite one to add to your skincare routine. But as you apply it onto the skin, you'll see how it glides over, so making sure that you don't cause any more irritations on the skin. It has a slightly mattifying effect as well, but it is about that instant soothing, that instant desensitizing. And as I said, if you're looking for some help in that department, this is definitely the one for you.